Hi, welcome back to Bat Maggie's classroom. Today we're going to talk about conventional long division. This method would be the same way that most of society would have learned how to do long division while they were in school. So your parents might know, or their parents. This method involves using the conventional division symbol, which is the scoop, where the dividend goes on the inside, the divisor goes on the outside, and the quotient goes on the top. Today we're going to use the number 450 to divide by 5. This problem will end up with no remainders, so this is a no remainder method. We start with the number 5, and we start with the first number in the dividend. How many times does 5 go into the first number? In this case, it's a 4 in the hundreds place. 5 does not go into 4. You cannot fit any 5s inside of 4. So I can't start here. I have to then move on and use the first two numbers. This is unlike some of the other methods. In the other methods, you'd be able to carry a 0 and move on. However, here, we're going to take these and now look at the 4 and the 5 together. Instead, does 5 fit into the number 45? I happen to know that 9 5s fit into 45. 5 times 9 makes 45. So I'm going to place that 9 above the 5 because that is the last place I worked. So 9 times 5 makes 45. I'm going to subtract these numbers. 45 take away 45 is 0. The next step in conventional long division is to pull the next number down. This number here is the 0. I'm going to pull it down here and I'm going to place it right here beside this other 0. That means I have two zeros at the moment. That is still the number 0. I now test my 5. How many 5s fit into this 0? Well, 5 does not fit into 0, so 0 5s fits inside. In this case, I can't move on to the next number because there is not one. So I'm going to say 0 5s fit into 0. 0 times 5 is 0. I'm going to subtract it and I'm still left with 0. This would be my remainder. Because there's a 0, that means it divides evenly into this number. So I know that 90 times 5 makes 450, or 450 divided by 5 equals 90. This is the conventional method for long division.